3 student dormitories at CHAMISA Boys High School in Harare were completely destroyed by fire on Monday afternoon, following a suspected gas leak combined with an electric fault. The incident occurred around 3 p.m., leaving Form 1 and 2 students with nothing but the clothes on their backs. Sarapina mashoko onokaunza aiwa panguva ino fire destroys CHAMISA Boys High dormitories. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The inferno, which reduced the domes to ashes within minutes, saw students lose all personal belongings including trunks, uniforms, blankets, and mattresses. Despite the devastating losses, no injuries or fatalities were reported. And Master Mr. Akunos Mavunga confirmed the fire and said the Harare Fire Brigade managed to put out the flames after about half an hour. 3 dormitories were burnt to ashes. Yes, we informed the fire brigade and they managed to extinguish the fire after 30 minutes, he said. The full value of damage is still being assessed. An emotional outpouring followed the incident on social media, with parents, guardians, and Zimbabweans expressing gratitude that no lives were lost. In quotes, "We thank God vana vedu are safe," wrote Tabitha Tapiwa Mangisi in a widely shared Facebook post. The relief was echoed by many. Someone said, "Yei zvakaoma, the loss is too much, but thanks to the Most High, kana vana vose vari vapenyu." Mwavimbo vachiti thanks to the Almighty. Mwavimbo vachiti yo inga zvakaoma, mwachiti hakuna hurumende uku kune mbavha. Panapa tunoendambira vachiti some commenters urged government intervention, highlighting the need for both material assistance and improved school safety measures. The Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education is yet to release an official statement on fire, while the school community now rallies to support the affected learners. Doma shoko aiwa echitiko chinoitika pa Boys High aiwa yekuchechiyo, but panguva ino kunokonza pana fatalities, apana vana vakakuwara kana kuti vakafa. Tiuze mafungiro enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko chimina comment section medu. Musana subscribe or like, and on the bell icon.